Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm making these potatoes in the air fryer right now. I'm gonna get them ready for some carne asada fries. But I got those started already. And I have this ones I still gotta cook up. And I'm using what I have on hand. And I wanted to make them a little bit fresher. I don't think real carne asada fries call for lettuce or cabbage of any kind, but I'm going to use some cabbage that I have. I don't have lettuce. If not, I would use lettuce, but I'm using cabbage today. And then I'm going to make a pico de gallo. Some pico de gallo. I'm going to be using tomatoes, some chile, and cebolla, some onion. And I'll just top it off with some lime juice and salt, and I don't have cilantro, or I would use some of that also. Now for the fries, they're really simple to make. I just wash them up and cut them. I add some avocado oil. You could add whatever oil you want to them. And I add salt and pepper and some parsley flakes and some garlic powder. I like making these in the air fryer because number one, it cuts down on a lot of the oil used, and number two, they can be cooking in there while I'm off doing something else. I like to put them in the top rack so they could get a little bit more crispy, and then halfway through I'll change them around so the other ones get crispy as well. Let's place them on, press the fry button. And it says 15 minutes, but that's about the amount for a smaller cut of potatoes. I like putting mine for about 20 minutes. Actually, I'm going to do these on 10 minutes, and then halfway through, on 10 minutes, I'll switch them around and put them another 8 to 10 minutes. And they should be done, nice and crispy. Tomatoes are chopped. Now onto the onions and chile. Here's how I like to make the pico de gallo. If I had cilantro, I would add some, but I'm just going to add salt and some lemon. And mix it around. I have some leftover carne asada, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that and warm it through. If it needs oil, I'll put some oil. I added a little bit of water so it could kind of get back to its original consistency, moist, and also could be nice and tender and moist while it defrosts and thaws. Let me get that covered also. Let it steam up a little bit. Alright, potatoes are done, meat's done, condiments are done. Let's get it all together. So here's the potatoes after 20 minutes. They're not too crispy and not too soft either. They're kind of in the middle. But if you want them crispier, set them longer. Or if you don't want them, if you want them to be like soft, then it'll be less time. We like them both ways. We like them soft, but also we also like them crunchy. So kind of in the middle. These fries are from the first batch I did. I left them a little bit softer because I wanted to go ahead and get the other ones in as well. I think I left this one's about 18 minutes, and they're really soft. They're cooked through, but they're still soft and really good. So now I'm just gonna plate the servings up. I'm gonna plate one up to show you how I like to serve them when I don't have everything on hand that I need to make the dinner, but it still came out really wonderful and delicious. And this is a super simple meal because I had everything on hand already. I had the extra carne asada in the freezer, so that was really simple to heat up. And I was missing cilantro and some avocado, but I went ahead and used what I had, and it still came out good anyway. I went ahead and made use of what I did have on hand. And the whole idea came from these potatoes that I had to use up before they started growing even more eyes than they already had. So I figured, why not make it a whole meal and just add all the toppings and make it delicious. And something that the whole family likes. Even some of them, they don't like it all mixed together, so I just put it on the side of each other, but that's fine as well. Let me know if you've ever eaten carne asada fries and what else I forgot to put on there. I can't remember. Let me know if you like them, what you like to top yours with, or if you eat anything kind of similar to this. If you like this video, I'd appreciate you giving it a big thumbs up and sharing it with a friend. And also, if you like this content and you want to see more of my What's for Dinners, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Turn the notifications to all so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I want to thank you all who watched to the end. Thank you so much, and God bless you.